Alright, I know I just filmed these earlier this summer, but we're gonna kick off the fall series with them because I'm here again. We're at the IKEA in Westchester, Ohio. This is the entrance elevator. Handy dandy to scrub. Your help, your outlets, Mad BS fixtures, firefighters operation, IKEA one, light, scrub. Don't forget what's on scrub rather. Also, if you want to read all your signs as well here. We'll take it back down to him. I haven't decided if I'm gonna upload these as separate videos or do one IKEA video. I'm not sure yet. I might do that, but whatever it is, there's 2 more of these you're gonna see later, so I don't feel the need to go back up again on this, especially since these are on the slower side. But yeah, pretty nice elevators all around. Always enjoy coming to IKEA. So. The entrance escalator at IKEA and Westchester, it's just road. Alright, we're here at the IKEA in Westchester, and I've decided I'm just gonna do one video, file them together here in iMovie. So we'll just take a quick video on this ThyssenKrupp down to 1, or M rather. It's Mad BS fixtures. It's the exact same as the one you've just seen earlier in this video. Firefighter's operation, IKEA 2. Plus, if you want to read any of that, y'all know the deal. You've seen enough videos of these.